Hello there, welcome to Computer Science 20S. This is Liberty Basic Unit 2, Windows-based material, and this is Lesson 4 using text fields, or as I like to call it, Windows Stuff Part 3. So today we're going to talk about labels. Suppose we don't want text in our text entry box where it will disappear. You want that text to remain on the screen in the window. And the command that we use for that is static text, just like the command you see right here. And the format for the static text statement is almost the same as for the text box statement. I'm going to show you an example here right away. So what I'd like you to do is, hopefully you've got that last program still saved. Let's just zoom in a bit here so we can see a little better. So what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to label the field. It's in red right here. So the command is static text hash name window dot label and then enter name. And what this is going to do is it's going to place the words enter name at that location that's listed right there. You'll have to play around with that a little bit, and it should end up looking very similar to this right here. So go ahead and pause this video and give that a try. But basically what you're doing is you're removing the enter name from inside the box and you're just labeling the text box just like this. So go ahead and pause and give that a try. Okay, hopefully that worked good for you here. Let's talk about trap close now. When running any of our examples above, we can close our custom-made window at any time by double-clicking on its menu box, pressing Alt F4, etc. Then Windows will go ahead and close the window, but Liberty Basic will still think that it's open. The other common way to do that is to use the X out, the red X in the window. This will cause some trouble if our code tries to perform some work with the window that just isn't there anymore. So when you close it using Microsoft Windows commands like the X out, you have to make sure that Liberty Basic knows that it's closed as well. So the way around this problem is by sending the trap close command to our window in question. The trap close command tells Liberty Basic to hook into the Windows event that closes our window. So here's the program modified to use trap close. And let's just zoom back in again so we can see that a little bit better. So right after you open the window here in red, I'd like you to put print hash name window, comma, quotations, trap close, quit. And I think you've seen branch labels already. I'm making this video quite a bit later than the earlier ones, but I'm pretty sure that you've seen branch labels. So now you'll notice down here we've also got another wait right here after this notice. And we've got down here the branch label quit, confirm, really quit, answer. So confirm statements I think you've seen before. This just allows you that if you accidentally hit the X out, it will confirm if you really want to quit or not. And the confirm window will pop up giving you the yes and no buttons. And if you hit no, it just goes back to where it was before. It continues to wait, really, is what it's doing, right? If you say yes, well, then it will close the window right here. So all this is doing is it's allowing Liberty Basic to tie into the X out of our regular Microsoft Windows and letting Liberty Basic know that we've closed the window so that the program can proceed as if the window had been closed with another button of some type. Here's some text here. It's probably just what I just said. See how the trap close command that we print to our window also specifies the quit branch label. This means that when we try to close the window using a mouse or keyboard action, then Windows will not close the window. Instead, Liberty Basic will execute an implicit go to quit. Notice also how we added code following the quit branch label. Using a confirm statement, we bring up a dialog box to confirm that we really do want to quit. So really what you're doing is you're putting a bit of a detour on the Windows X out. You want Liberty Basic to handle it. You don't want Microsoft Windows to handle it. The user says no, then we execute a wait statement. Once we do this, we are ready for the user to do something else. So trap close is extremely important. It should be in every Windows-based program that you write in Liberty Basic from now on. So here's some practice. I'd like you to modify the program that we've just got here so that the window sizing issues are fixed. I purposely gave you some goofy coordinates for that. I'd like you to change the text so it's in a font of your choosing. I'd like the text to say, please enter your name, and I'd like the window to appear in the top right-hand corner. Once your name is entered, it will give you a notice that says, hello, name, for example, hello, Mr. Bennett, nice to meet you. So you've got a few little things to work with there. Try to figure out how that program works. And I do not believe there is any exercise for this. We'll move on to lesson 5 when you're ready.